Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, several communities in St. Andrew are under surveillance as coronavirus cases continue to climb.
This was revealed at an online press briefing at the office of the Prime Minister this afternoon.
Now, the government listed more than a dozen communities which are of concern.
Additionally, new measures have been implemented in communities already under quarantine orders.
COVID-19 control measures have been enforced in sections of St. Thomas and Clarendon for over 2 weeks. However, at an emergency press conference on Monday, the government expressed concern about Kingston and St. Andrew. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton listed 18 communities where cases have been surfacing.
So it's Duhaney Park, Patrick Gardens, Pembroke Hall, Corville, New Haven, Halfway Tree area, Hewenden, Arlene Gardens, Malines Gardens, State Gardens, Zadie Gardens, Constant Spring, Barbican, Meadowbrook, Havendale, Della Creek Park, Olympic Gardens, and Waltham Gardens. And again, it's not an issue of large numbers, right? So I don't want the public to interpret this as having multiple cases.
We're asking residents in these communities to exercise even greater care. Wear your masks, social distance, wash your hands or sanitize regularly. If you're ill, stay home.
Things are also looking grim for the communities already under quarantine in St. Thomas and Clarendon. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said further action is needed as the number of positive cases continues to climb.
We're seeing cases popping up generally within the parish of St. Thomas, even outside of the communities under quarantine. And this suggests that the general movement in the parish could cause outbreaks.
Dr. Christopher Tufton says the virus has affected some 20 communities across St. Thomas, indicating community spread. It's why the Prime Minister has been advised to implement new measures.
As of August the 18th, the curfew for St. Thomas will be 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. the next morning for every morning and every evening for the next 2 weeks.
There is also a stop order on funerals, weddings, and all entertainment and civic service gatherings across St. Thomas. The quarantine measures have also been extended in Sandy Bay and adjoining communities in Clarendon, where some 22 new cases have been recorded since. These developments come amidst an intense election climate. The Prime Minister says he has spoken with the Leader of the Opposition as well as with the political representatives in the affected areas, who have all agreed to follow the Health Ministry's guidelines for campaigning from nomination day through to election day on September 3.